What if we completely remove the nose? Will it still look cute or totally wrong? When we draw cute cartoons, the nose is often ignored. But what if it's actually the key? This face has no nose at all. And somehow, it still feels cute. That's because our brain completes the missing part. Now, let's add just one tiny dot. A dot doesn't describe a nose. Dotted only suggests it. A short line changes the emotion. Suddenly, the character feels shy, too long, and the cuteness disappears. This is the sweet spot. Simple shape, soft edges, almost invisible. The best cartoon nose doesn't want attention. So, do we really need a nose? Yes, but only dot a hint of it.